If you are the one who want to scan QR code on your smart TV and want to activate your YouTube Kids on your smart TV, then this video is for you. Today I will tell you how to scan QR code YouTube Kids on your smart TV. So let's get started first. Now you have to open the App Store or the Play Store, depends on the version or the model number you are taking. So I am using right now Android phone. Now let's show you how to open the Play Store and search for the QR code scanner. So now press the Play Store and open the QR code scanner. Here you have to search and now search the QR code scanner. As you can see that you can download any one of the QR code app. So now let me install that. Now it will install. As you can see, the app has been installed successfully. You have to same follow the process if you have iPhone. So you have to same again search for the QR code scanner and download the QR code scanner on that and open the app as now I am doing that. Now click on open. Now you have to click on while using this app. Now you have to scan the QR code. As you can see that, now click on that link. Once you click on it, as you can see that it is asking for the 10-digit code which is already fetched out. So now you have to click on continue button. Once you click on it, it will ask for your email ID which you want to log in. Let me tell you, you have to log in that email ID which you have created your child account under it, or you want to create the fresh account or new account. So I have selected the email ID. Now like that you have to just click on that email ID. Once you click on it, it will fetch the details and allow you to connect. So now it is asking to connect. Once you click on the connect, it will automatically fetch your details and automatically get login to your mobile and smart TV too. As you can see that now you are successfully logged in your smart TV and in your mobile too. So as you can see that you are logged in your mobile also. Here is another way to log in on your smart TV. For that you have to log out your profile again, and let me show you how to do that. So just click on OK. Now go to your profile back and click on add account. Now go to at the bottom side, click on add a child, click on that. Now what you're gonna do, you have to open the Google Lens on your smartphone, whether it is iPhone or Android phone. You have to open the Google Lens and scan this barcode. Let me show you how to do that. So now take your Google Lens like that, click on that Google Lens. Now you can see that a link is pop up on the mobile screen. You just need to click on that. As you can see that it has automatically fetched the 10-digit code. Now click on continue button. Now it will ask you for the email ID which you have created your child account. So make sure click on that. Now click on it. Now you have to click on continue. So now you have been successfully logged in again on your mobile and in your smart TV also. If you want to create a new account on your smart TV, then what you have to do, you have to simply again click on add account and go to child account, and you have to simply click on that and it will share you the option to create the kids account. If you don't know how to create your kids account, just follow the link in I button and you will get the details of how to create your child account. I hope this video helps you. I keep posting these type of video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow for more videos. Thank you so much.